Have you ever opened TikTok just to check one thing, though, and suddenly 40 minutes disappeared? Have you noticed how one random video can quietly turn into your entire feed? Have you felt that strange moment when your feed starts answering questions you never typed? Have you ever wondered why some topics follow you for weeks, even after you're done with them? Have you noticed how your mood can change after just a few minutes of scrolling? If any of that feels familiar, this video is about you. Hi, this is Merlin, and you're watching AI Growth Stories. This channel is about understanding the quiet systems shaping our choices, our habits, and our future, so we can use technology with awareness instead of drifting inside it. Here we talk about growth, psychology, and the invisible patterns running the modern world in a way that connects to real life, not just theory. If you like seeing behind the curtain, take a second to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who always says, I just opened TikTok for 2 minutes. Because what we're about to talk about isn't just about an app. It's about how your attention quietly becomes your environment. At first, TikTok feels simple. Funny clips, helpful tips, short videos that pass time. But then something shifts. The feed stops feeling random. It stops feeling general. It starts feeling personal. It starts meeting you where you are. It starts responding to thoughts you didn't finish. And suddenly your phone feels less like a screen and more like a mirror. TikTok isn't just showing content, it's shaping sequence. It's choosing which emotional door you walk through next. Comfort, humor, motivation, fear, healing, outrage. One swipe at a time, it guides your focus through a private hallway built just for you. Older platforms were built around people you followed. TikTok was built around what holds you. You don't need friends here, you don't need connections, you just need a thumb. Because TikTok doesn't care who you know. It cares what keeps you watching. Your pauses become preferences, your rewatches become signals, your skips become boundaries, your thumb becomes a truth sensor. Within minutes, the feed reorganizes itself around your behavior, not your words. You didn't explain yourself, you didn't choose categories, you simply existed. And the system quietly took notes. Every swipe becomes a vote, every pause becomes a direction, every rewatch becomes a flare in the dark, and the machine doesn't forget. Behind that smooth vertical feed is a system constantly testing thousands of videos against you. Like a quiet lab that reshuffles itself after every reaction. It tries different tones, topics, emotions, and formats. And the moment your attention leans forward instead of pulling away, the system remembers. Not every video hits, but some do, and you never know which one will. So your brain stays open, your thumb keeps moving, time stops announcing itself, and slowly, scrolling turns into a loop you don't even notice entering. This is how TikTok becomes more than an app. It becomes your attention manager. It schedules your laughs. It times your comfort. It arranges your outrage. It programs your calm. It decides when you feel inspired, when you feel anxious, when you feel ready to change your life, and when you feel like doubting yourself. Not through commands, but through quiet, emotional sequencing. Two people can open TikTok in the same room and walk out feeling like they live in different emotional climates. And it isn't just entertainment anymore, it's a learning space, a discovery space, a decision space, a belief-forming space. Your feed isn't only showing videos, it's shaping what starts feeling normal in your world. Now here's the moment where this story turns into your strategy. Because your digital product, your brand, your platform, they are not competing for clicks, they are competing for habits. TikTok doesn't win because it reminds people to return. It wins because it trains them to return without thinking. So stop building only features. Start building return behavior. Ask what brings your user back tomorrow, even if you stay silent. Design for sequence, not content. Your landing page, your app, your onboarding, your emails, they are emotional corridors. Ask what emotional door your user walks through next. Relief, clarity, trust, action. Curiosity, surprise, belief, return, confusion, safety, confidence, habit. You are designing emotional journeys, not interfaces. Retention is your growth engine. Traffic is rent. Retention is ownership. Track what people finish. Track what they return to. Track what quietly becomes routine. Build your own private relevance layer. Segment by behavior, not by profiles. Let actions shape next steps. If someone completes something, guide them forward. If someone lingers, show them deeper paths. Make your product feel like it understands people, not in a creepy way, but in a helpful way. Let it remember what they touch, what they ignore, what they return to. When your product reflects people back to themselves, it stops feeling optional. Build loops, not funnels. Funnels convert once, loops convert forever. Every action must lead somewhere meaningful. Don't chase buzz, chase routine. Your most valuable metric is how often someone returns without reminders. Protect trust. Attention can be earned fast. Trust takes time. Your product must leave people feeling clearer, stronger, and lighter, not emptier. Because when you shape attention, you are shaping lives. TikTok didn't steal attention, it industrialized it. It turned curiosity into data, emotion into signals, time into behavior maps. It didn't just give you a feed, it gave you a private reality stream. And the future won't belong to the people who chase reach. It will belong to the people who respect attention. Your feed is not just entertainment. It is the emotional weather you live inside. It decides what feels normal, what feels urgent, what feels possible, what feels desirable, what feels dangerous. And once you realize that, something changes. You stop scrolling automatically. You start choosing intentionally. Because in a world where systems decide what you see next, your most powerful move is deciding what you let shape you. If this story helped you see your habits, your business, or your feed differently, tap like, subscribe to AI Growth Stories, and share this with someone who scrolls without realizing how powerful their attention really is. And in the next story, we're going to look at another system that quietly rewrote human behavior, not through code, but through culture, and almost nobody noticed. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.